Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make French vinaigrette dressing. To begin, gather your core ingredients: a good quality extra virgin olive oil, a classic red wine or white wine vinegar, and a touch of Dijon mustard. These foundational elements are key to a delicious dressing. Ensure your oil and vinegar are of good quality, as they form the backbone of the flavor profile. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's create that beautiful emulsion. In a bowl, combine your Dijon mustard and vinegar, whisking them together until well blended. This mustard acts as an emulsifier, helping the oil and vinegar combine. Next, slowly drizzle in the olive oil in a thin, steady stream while continuously whisking vigorously. Keep whisking until the dressing thickens and becomes creamy, indicating a stable emulsion. Once emulsified, it's time to customize your vinaigrette. You can add finely minced shallots or a small clove of garlic for an aromatic kick. Season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper, tasting as you go to achieve your desired balance. For a touch of sweetness, a small amount of honey or maple syrup can be a wonderful addition, balancing the acidity beautifully. Feel free to experiment with fresh herbs too. This versatile dressing is perfect for salads, marinades, or drizzling over roasted vegetables. Store any leftover vinaigrette in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. Just give it a good shake before each use to re-emulsify the ingredients. It's a simple way to elevate many dishes. And speaking of freshness, if your car could use a little refresh, check out the link in the description for Little Trees Black Ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.